Hi guys, welcome back with new video. I am Salinder. Welcome to my SL DevCode YouTube channel. Today I am going to be teaching how to create login form using C#. In here I will use Visual Studio 2019 and SQL database. This is the second video of my C# tutorial and projects video series. In first video I have teach how to create a fresh C# Windows form application in Visual Studio. I hope you watch my first video. Let's get start the video. Now I am going to create Visual Studio C# Windows Form application. Open the Visual Studio. If you don't have Visual Studio 2019, I will put those links in my description. After that, go to File and New Project and select C# and Windows Form application and click Next. Now you have to give project name and select the location where you want to install your project. I will give project name login form and create. Yes, now I am going to design my form application. Those all the basic things I have discussed in my first video. In here I am not going to talk more about design part. I think you can understand those things easily. Now I added panel. Now I am going to add label. Go to toolbox and search label and drag and drop here. Now I am going to add text box. You have two text box. Those are username and password. Now I am going to add two buttons, so login button and exit button. You can copy paste it. Now my basic design part is okay. Now you go to properties and you can change button names. First button is login. Second button is exit. You can change those names like this. Now I am going to change label names also, username and password. Now I am going to change label one name. I will give SL DevCode login form. It's the headline. After that you can change colors, font size, font style, all the things you can change like this. Now I change background color. Now I change panel 1 color. And also now I change buttons colors. You can change font style also. Now I am going to change username and password, font size and font style. Now double click the exit button and go to this function and type this dot close. After that you clicking exit button automatically exit the system. I am going to add another Windows form. Right click the project, go to add and select this, and I will select form windows and give it a name. I'll give welcome and OK. This is the welcome Windows form. Now I am going to design this form application. Why I am creating this welcome Windows form? I mean, when you log in the system using correct username and password, it will navigate this welcome page. Now double click the login button and now I am going to code login function. This dot hide. Welcome ss equal new welcome. I'll create object. ss dot show now I'll run the code and see the output. Yes, now I'll I'll click login button. Yes, it redirected welcome page. Once again run and I'll click exit button. Yes, it's exit. And now I am going to add button to welcome page. So go to back. It means when you are login in the welcome page, clicking the back button, you can go to login page. Now I will run the code and see the output again. Login and back to the login page. Yes. Login, back to the login page. Yes. Exit. Yes. All the buttons are working properly. Now I am going to be creating a database. Just going to Server Explorer. Now right click the data connections and go to add connection. You have to give a database file name. I will give data.mdf and click OK. Yes, now your database is created. Now you have to add tables. You can expand this. Now you can see your table include username and password. Primary key is username. You can change data type also. I just give Vacha. Now double click the login button and now I am going to import data SQL using system.data.sql client. SQL connection con equal new SQL connection. I will create object and in here you have to pass URL. Right click your database and go to properties. And now you can, I'll zoom and see you this data source. It copy and paste it in here. Yes. Now you can see errors. You can slow those errors. Put the @ mark in here. SQL data adapter SDA equal new SQL data adapter. Now you have to type those queries. Select all from login where username. I'll just type those things. You can see those commands. Now type data table dt equal new data table. SDA.fill dt. Now I am going to if statement dt dot rows 0 and 0 dot to string. Equal to 1. I just cut and paste it in here. Now I'll type else statement message box dot show. Now I am put my message. Please check the username and password. If you are giving invalid username and password, this message will pop up. Now I am going to see my username and password. Go to database and select show queries. My username is user, my password is pass123. Sorry, when I am writing my SQL query part, I had a mistake. You have to correct those things like this. You have to change it, select count and form login where I use a equal. Previously I am not put equal mark and count. Now I will run the code and see the output. Yes, it's working properly. You have to give your username, user, password, pass123 and login. Yes, it successfully login the welcome page. After that, click in the back button. It's go to back. Now I will give incorrect password and try to login. Yes, it's a pop-up message. Please check the username and password. Okay, now I will give my correct username and password. And login, it's working properly, and back to yes and exit. All the functions working properly. Now I successfully created the login form application using C#. If you have any questions regarding this video, make a comment and ask. And also, if you like my videos, click in the like button and share my videos. Finally, I like to say, don't forget to click subscribe button to get latest content from my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys.